was that ride? Awesome. Awesome, guys. Let's get some people here. What's up with the city? What's up with Smith? This is not so keep watch back for Smith. Raise back to the one ride.
All right.
I can see it up on the beat. I can see it up on it. All right.
All right.
We're actually gonna ride.
No, maybe it's good. No, I didn't turn to ride, but I guess.
Now we on a motorcycle. That's how fast motorcycles are.
It's a pretty long ride.
Smooth.
Smooth, yep. Not painful. Well,
I'm not doing this.
maybe a little bit more theming, but yeah.